What is good, budget fam? It's your boy Sneakerhead on the budget on the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Go give me a like, share, subscribe. Definitely helps the channel out because YouTube be holding us down in here, budget fam.
Damn!
So first off, I want to say thank you everybody for the support. We just reached over 1K subscribers. I know we've been harping on that all year, and I said we'll get it this year, and we finally made it. So thank you guys. Thank you to the whole budget fam. I appreciate you guys. We hit 1K. Celebrate. But now we gotta go to 2K. So road to 2K starts today. But I do appreciate you guys for rocking with it, and thank you guys so much for the support. As you can see, I'm eating a bowl of fruit. I just came back from my Friendsgiving, and you know they had a lot of desserts. But as you know, I'm on my health journey, and so my dessert is going to be fruit instead of the other stuff they had there. And don't sit there and be like, "Oh, fruit's bad for you." I've done nutrition as well. Fruit over a piece of cake or cheesecake or anything else is definitely a better option. So let's not do that.
Stop it. Get some help.
Let's talk about it, guys. Today was a shit show.
Halfway.
If you know, this whole week, let me just put the fruit down. Hold on.
Hey, boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
A shit show, guys. Like, it was really, really bad. This morning, opened up my app, checked everything, made sure everything was right. You know, hit up the wife. Wife was gonna answer for me as well, just in case. And my sister was gonna hit for me, well, attempt for me, just in case. You know, I got a little team going. So everybody had issues going in, and everybody knows everybody had login issues. It was terrible, like terrible. My app stopped working. It just crashed. It wouldn't log in. It kept giving me an error code. Kept logging me in as guest, and then when I tried to enter the draw, it wouldn't allow me to. It told me to log in. It was bad. I know a lot of people experienced the exact same thing. I got in with 2 seconds left. I'm talking about 2 seconds left. That's when I was able to get in. And I was able to actually hit on the draw. But now I'm worried because a friend of mine just put a picture up saying his order got canceled. So, we're looking at that. So, it's just... This is the worst sneaker draw that I've ever been a part of. And I know they had to know, with this being a remnants of the Chicago one, that this was going to be a really big drop. Even if you did early access, this is going to be a really big drop. People are already upset that they didn't get early access. Because I've counted out my L's, and I had 24 losses on an Air Jordan 1, and I didn't get access. So, we're all looking forward to this one, right? I mean, I went one of. I mean, if you include the sneakers win, I would have gone 1 of 13, right? I was out here shooting like Russell Westbrook. Did I say Westbrook? I mean Russell Westbrook. My bad. Disrespect. I was shooting bad. You know. And so happened to get in last second. Got the dub, right? Now I'm worried. So many issues this week. I'm on maniere 4s. Like the bots were winning. There's a dude who even commented on their release thing on Twitter saying thank y'all, and then had all his slots of 30 victories on his bot thing. And I was like, yo, what the f is going on? You know, it's just so much. I don't know what is going on in the sneaker world right now. But it's crazy. The only thing I can say is, guys, do not panic buy lost and founds. Do not panic buy lost and founds. There's plenty of shops that haven't fully got their pairs yet. There's still some places that are still doing raffles. Do not panic buy. And the reason why I say that is when they initially showed up and people started getting them early pairs, what was it, like $1,300 for a pair, $1,000 for a pair, and then everybody was like laughing and cracking up because it dropped down to like $500. Then it dropped down. The lowest I seen it was like $385, right? And so don't panic buy. Because if you panic buy, people are going to figure it out, especially resellers, and start creeping that price up. So don't panic buy. Take your time. Still trying to get it for retail. A few months pass. If we can't do it, then go ahead and get resale. Take your time when it comes to those, guys. I'm just saying it. So even if my thing gets canceled, I'm gonna take my time. I'm not gonna sit there and just panic buy. I'm not gonna do it, right? And I know the fear of it going back up, but it's gonna go back up if we instantly just start buying what's there, right? So let's be cautious with it, guys, because if we don't do it, then the market's gonna stay low and everybody's gonna still eat, right? But if we keep panic buying, it's gonna go back up. And I think right now it's stabilized. I think I just been checking it all day just for friends and checking it all day just for my mental where it's at, especially because, you know, us in the sneaker community, we want to take a look at it, especially because I like if I cop a pair and somebody else is looking for a pair and I see it at a lower price, I'm gonna hit them like, hey, go and grab this quick. So right now it looks like it's stabilized, so like around like mid 400s. I haven't seen anything jump up to 500s unless you're using like the fast verification on GOAT. So take your time on those, guys. Don't rush. Do not rush. All right, you're gonna get a dub. We're all gonna get a dub. We're gonna eat. I know some people are like, oh man, they said there's so many pairs. At this point, y'all, I know a lot of people ate. I know a lot of things are backdoored, but we just got to make sure we stay stabilized with it. But it was a shit show today. Nike didn't even say anything. That's how bad it was. They didn't even send like a morning link. They didn't say anything. Not even an apology for what was going on. It was just nothing. And then like after I got my got him at like 8 something, like early 8, and I was like, yo, this is super late. So I know they know something effed up, right? But they're not gonna say anything. Didn't even acknowledge it. I think around like 10 o'clock I was able to log into my Nike account like nothing, and it was really frustrating because I couldn't get in the whole time. Had to restart it. I had to be like 20 to 24 times. I just had to keep refreshing, restarting, retrying because it was that bad. I think they also did a Panda release today, so fucking insane. And then I'm on Maniere's doing a restock for the 4s since they were canceling all the bot orders that they found. Which is dope. So I don't know if they're just gonna just do it all in the sneakers drop, but if they are, I hope they get it together because I know a lot of people are gonna try for that, especially people who like to double up. So that's how it is. How did it go for you guys? How did the release go for you guys? To me, it was honestly one of the worst draw experiences that I ever had, and I can't even imagine the people who went through the same thing I did and didn't get them. So definitely, guys, I want to hear what you guys' opinion on this. Is this the worst drop you guys have ever seen from Nike? And what can they do? Because I know we can have these discussions, but I want to hear from you guys. What can Nike do to fix this? Because I've been thinking about it too, and I just can't find it out. So thank you guys for tuning in with your boy. I'm back at it like a crack addict, and I will see you guys soon. Enjoy your holidays, guys. Enjoy your Thanksgivings. Peace.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.